Hello, if your Dyson does this when removing the bin, I'm going to show you how to fix it, and with a bit of luck you might even get the part for free. For this repair you will need a T5 Torx driver, a size 2 Phillips driver ensuring the length of the shaft is a minimum of 6 centimeters, and the replacement bin runner. So the likely cause for your bin canister flying off the end of your Dyson is due to a small piece of plastic that has broken off your bin runner. If that is the case, you'll need to get it replaced. My V10 was out of warranty, but I did ring Dyson customer services and they kindly sent me a replacement for free, so perhaps if you ask nicely they'll do the same for you. So there are 6 screws in total that you'll need to remove to access the bin runner. 4 located behind the Dyson filter and 2 just either side of the trigger. So you'll discover that 2 of the uppermost screws behind the Dyson filter are actually recessed much deeper than the other 2, so that's the reason why you need at least a 6 centimeter length shaft on your Phillips screwdriver. After removing all 6 Phillips screws, you should find that the main body should easily separate from the handle. Once you've got it open, give the inside a quick brush to get rid of any debris, and all that remains is to remove the bin runner held on by a single T5 Torx screw. After installing the new bin runner and reassembling all of the components back together again, just gently test the mechanism to make sure that everything is working as it should. So there you have it, a V10 working exactly as it should without that dreaded explosion of dust.